Last video on skincare. So I've already done Virage, which is what I use, which is kind of it's 100% plant-based, good cleanser for kind of a young to middle-aged range. Anyone with kind of normal to oily skin, great for them. I've talked about our HD Clear cleanser, which is great for teenage skin or particularly acne-prone adult skin. So the last skincare kit I'm going to talk about is actually Amavi. So I should mention first, we do have a second adult skincare collection called Essentials. So I do have one thing from it. I've got the anti-aging eye cream from it. Essentials collection is a full kit like Virage as well, that comes with multiple pieces, and then you can do some add-ons like this eye cream. And it's designed for more mature skin, or if you have particularly dry skin, then I'd recommend the Essentials collection. So for me, I only use the eye cream, the anti-aging eye cream. It's got this little metal roller ball you can see. You can squeeze the cream up, and then you just literally roll the cream with the metal roller ball under your eyes. So that is one other skincare option to consider. But the point of this video is actually to talk about the men's stuff. So the men's collection is called Amavi. It's not quite as robust as the others. So men absolutely can use Virage and Essentials, and I would recommend it because the Amavi doesn't come with a cleanser. It doesn't come with a toner, and men need to do that too. So men, by all means, use the Virage and the Essentials kit, but you can add Amavi to it. So Amavi makes an aftershave lotion, and Ian loves this. So, you know, if you know Ian, he's got really dark, thick hair. So that means when he shaves, it's like hard work. And he has sensitive skin. So he just applies the Amavi after he shaves, and he's really loving it. So I just had to open this box because I've ordered more, again, to take with us on our trip. There also is an Amavi roller ball that has a really nice smell. It can be used as a cologne. It's actually good for women too because it's really got strong emotional properties. But you just rub that roller ball on the skin to help freshen it up and to help protect the skin too. So something to consider for our boys to spoil them as well.